This is a one-step equation. Again, you're trying to get x by itself, and there's one number that's keeping it from being by itself, that -2. So you're going to do the opposite. Instead of taking away 2, you're going to add 2 to that side of the equation. And that's because -2 plus 2 add up to 0. And so this disappears. And what you do to one side, you must do to the other. So I'm going to add 2. And now I'm going to bring down the results. -9 plus 2 is -7. The negatives have 7 more points, if you will. Bring down the variable. Nothing else to bring down, so you can read this from right to left if necessary. X is equal to -7. That's your answer. You can rewrite it, rearrange it if you choose. There's your answer, and again, you can check the answer by plugging it back into the original equation. Just don't get confused. This is your potential solution right here, and now you're doing a check. So be organized when you do that. All right, I'm going to take the original equation. In place of the variable, I'm going to leave an empty parentheses and go ahead and put the answer into that. And then I read it, and it says -7 minus 2. And I work that out, and I compare the two sides, and I can see that my answer works. It gives me a true statement at the end. So the answer of -7 must be correct.